Hi everyone, this is Bag of Dawn at StockMarketCaddy.com, and today is January 6th. It's a Monday. It's 1:50, and we are off and running. The markets were down this morning. We had some beautiful, beautiful trades on the short side that came in from overnight last night, and then the markets rolled up. And let's take a look at where we are right now. First, on the S&P. We'll just take a look at the 1 minute. The 1 minute, if you had taken the 1 minute at 12:58 just 55 minutes ago, you'd be up 225 bucks. Let's jump down to the 5 minute. If you had gone long the S&P at 9:35 at the open, one contract, you'd be up 850. The NQ, which we marked up a little bit for our members, on the 1 minute, if you had gone long just 54 minutes ago, you'd be up one contract 190. If you had gone long at 9:35 on the NQ, you'd be up 1,355. The Russell, 52 minutes ago, you'd be up 55 bucks. And if you had gone long at 10:30, you would be up 400. The Dow, if you had gone long 82 minutes ago, you'd be up 265 on 270 on one contract. And if you had gone long on a 5-minute time frame at 9:40 a.m. and still holding, you would be up $685. The gold trade has been wonderful. It's cycling now, and it's still long. Gold on a 1 minute, 58 minutes, you'd be up 320, and in the last 20 minutes, you'd be still down. You'd be down about 120 on a 5 minute. Treasuries still working themselves out. Oil is starting to go long here against the short position. The last short call was at 9:20 a.m. and if you had taken that, you would have been up much more than this, but you'd be currently up 470. With the 1 minute going long, you'd want to cover that trade and begin to think about possibly going long. Now, how do you use this? By the way, I am Bag of Dawn at StockMarketCaddy.com. My wife and I developed the swing machine and a number of other tools to trade futures, stocks, options on an intraday, daily, weekly, monthly basis. How to use this tool, we tutor folks, and because this tool can actually rest on your computer. Now, we don't sell it, it's not for sale, but we will lease it, and we only have a set number of leases. And during this Jumpstart program, we will stay with you for about a 4-week period and teach you how to use the tool. The only thing we ask is that you stay in simulation mode during that time so that you can focus on the process. And we're fairly confident, if you're like everybody else, by the time the 4th week rolls around, you are chomping at the bit to get started and start trading and start making some real money. So it works out for everybody. If you're interested in talking with me about what the swing machine and what Stock Market Caddy is all about, feel free to give me a call, 813-758-8263. Happy to talk with you. If you would like a hall pass, what's a hall pass? A hall pass is a request that's got to initiate with you saying, hey, Bagger, on such and such a day at such and such a time, if you're available, I'd like to come in and I'd like to see what the swing machine is doing. Right then and there. I don't want you to be cherry picking anything. And that's what we'll do. We'll show you on the time frame of your choosing. And at the same time, Bagger, I'm going to want to see how my favorite stocks of the S&P 500 and the S&P 100 are at that given time. Because I want to kick the tires and I want to do my due diligence and I want to be sure you're not cherry picking. So we don't cherry pick, folks. But you can set up that hall pass with as much advance notice as you want. You know, whatever it is, we can show you so that you can make a good decision for yourself. Do we accept everybody? Absolutely not. Sorry, we don't. Okay, we got to make sure that there's a good fit. So I do like to talk to each person, no matter the level of membership that you're thinking of joining in on. We would like to meet you, at least talk to you over the phone and make sure it's a good fit and there's a good understanding of who we are and who we are not. I am not a broker. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not interested at all in managing your money. It's not worth it. but it is worth it to you. And so if you have an interest in taking control over this part of your life, I don't know anyone else that looks at the markets and the opportunities the way that we do. We do not use charts. We do not draw trend lines and moving average and things of this sort and going from one to the other to the other to the other so that you get chart blindness. That doesn't work, and we don't do it. And we don't subject you to it. So with that, we're going to say best of luck. Feel free to follow. Feel free to push the like button if this helped you today in looking at the markets, and better yet, if you think this is something you want to take part in, we got a spot for you as it stands right now. Thank you.